For 25 years, educators have been using RealityWorks' innovative learning tools to engage students and teach them the skills they need for career success. Schools and organizations choose our products because they are designed in partnership with educators, because they include curriculum, assessments, and other instructional resources, because they engage today's learners, and because our customer support is top-notch.
I tell them it is an awesome experience. So I feel like having that realism, because they are such hands-on generation, like having that is like, oh my gosh, this is real. Listen, you need to reach out to RealityWorks.
I think that is one of the main reasons I keep coming back, is just because customer service. I think you guys really care about teachers and helping. Wow, you guys are really trying to stay up to date with the high demand jobs that are out there in career and technical education. It's almost like you guys read our minds. It's like, it'd be great if we had this. And then I get your catalog and I'm like, oh my God, you have it, which is so nice.
Until you immerse yourself in the information or into it, it's a great tool that adds that extra layer of hands-on that most kids, in my experience being a teacher, are learning from. Your staff is always very kind and supportive and everything I've ever asked. So, to me, that speaks volumes for a company, because there's so many companies out there right now that I couldn't probably say the same for. So.
We're so far removed from students having real life experiences in agriculture. And so they're nervous about it. And so then I got to thinking that it would be really cool if RealityWorks could create an entire lesson with the little pigs in 3D model, like RealityWorks is really great at doing anyway, to kind of initiate that process and kind of get that going.
The RealityWorks stuff, the models and the different things that you all have in your catalog for ag, it's a different, usable, functional, creatable tool, and I think that's exciting. So
I think it's one of the best learning tools that I have at my disposal. It's not me doing the teaching. They're teaching themselves. I will match my middle school program with anybody in the state of Virginia. And the child RealityWorks has a lot to do with that.
What a great teaching tool. It has something that can make it interactive for our students. And that's really what makes learning stick with people.
They just follow the instructions right along. So any student can take this setup and go with it. They really can. So
they're all for technology, any kind of new technology you can bring into the classroom that helps kids keep them engaged and get what you're trying to teach in your curriculum across. They're definitely all for it.
So our goal when we think about purchasing equipment, purchasing materials, and where we put our funds is ultimately associated with our mission, which is to make kids career ready. Ultimately, everything we do in schools is an investment in our future, and the return on investment for our CTE programs is extremely high.
Whether you need new hands-on learning aids for your program, support for your RealityWorks products, or resources for exploring in-demand careers, we can help. Contact us today to connect with your local account manager and discuss your own unique program needs.